everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be making some easy vegan brownies. I'm not vegan, I just tried these out once before and they're really good. But anyways, you will need 3/4 cup of coconut sugar. I got mine at Walmart, but you can probably find it at any other supermarket around you. You will also need 3/4 cup of canned coconut milk, a half a cup of cocoa powder. You can have unsweetened or sweetened, it just depends on your preference. You will also need a 1/4 cup of melted coconut oil. You can use any kind of coconut oil. One-4 cup of avocado. You can puree your avocado if you want, but I just mushed mine up to make the brownies. You will also need a teaspoon of baking soda, and a half a teaspoon of salt, and 1 cup of all-purpose flour. The first thing that you want to do is grease or butter your pan. You can obviously use vegan butter or cooking spray, but from my experience of watching Kids Baking Championship, butter makes the food stick less. And then the first thing that we're going to do is cut up our avocado. Okay, so the proper way to cut an avocado is use your knife and go all around the edges of the avocado. Obviously, I'm not doing it very good because I'm cutting towards my finger. Please don't do that. Anyways, what you want to do is cut across your avocado and make lines all across it. Be careful. Anyways, then you want to take your knife and cut long ways on the avocado to create little bites or like little squares. Then when you're ready to take off the avocado and put it into your bowl, you can just like scoop it up with your knife underneath so it all comes off easily. And for the brownies, you obviously want to measure 1/4 cup. What you want to do is put your avocado chunks into the bowl that you're mixing in, and then you want to put in your melted coconut oil. If you pureed your avocado, then you wouldn't have to mash it up, you would just stir it up, but I did not puree it, so I have chunks, and basically if you have chunks, you just have to mush it all up with the coconut oil, and it's pretty easy to do. I would recommend using a fork. The next thing that you want to do is add in your all-purpose flour. For mixing, I just used a fork. I thought that was the best thing to use for me. Obviously you can use a whisk or a bigger spoon or anything, but it's up to you. Add in your cocoa powder and mix it all up. Add in all of your coconut sugar and then mix it all up. Then you want to add in your salt and baking soda and then mix that all up again. Be careful doing this, but open up your can of coconut milk and then add it into the mixture of ingredients and then mix that all up. When you mix in the coconut milk, don't be afraid if your mixture has chunks. Both of the times that I made it, it had a little bit of chunkiness, but that honestly doesn't matter. And you just want to make sure to combine all of the ingredients together and make sure there isn't any loose ingredients in the bottom of the bowl. When your mixture is fully mixed and there's no noticeable unmixed ingredients in the batter, then you just want to put it in the pan that you prepared. As you can see in my video, my batter is a little chunky, which is totally fine. You just don't want any loose ingredients in your batter. I put my brownies in for about 30 minutes and mine came out a little crumbly, which is totally fine. If you want like fudgy brownies, you can leave them in for a little less or a little bit more. It just depends on when they're baked. You obviously don't want to eat a raw brownie. But these are how mine turned out. I know from the lighting it kind of looks like they are burnt, but trust me, they're not. And they still taste really good. So if you guys try this out, please let me know in the comments below or post it on social media. And I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thanks for watching. Bye!
I just wanna love you, just wanna hold you, never will lie to you. Tell me what you in for, what you in for. It feels like I could see the past in your eyes.